we're doing fit food for Christmas. Our health coach, Paola Henderson, is also using eggplant, melon, and bygone. That's just one ingredient. Let's check out what Paola Henderson, our health coach, is doing. Fit food for Christmas.
Hi everyone, I am Paola Henderson from Cup of Joe Fit Food, and we're here at Henderson's Kitchen, and I'm here to show you a dish made out of eggplant that you can use for Christmas. It's an eggplant cheesy bites, I would call it. So eggplants are part of the nighttime family, nightshades actually. They come in different colors around the world, and in Trinidad it's grown throughout the year. So you can do, there's so many dishes that you can do. You could it's actually, eggplant is known to be more of a fruit because it comes from a flowering plant, as well as it has seeds. But in Trinidad we don't know it as a fruit, so it's a more savory dish. So today what I have done is that I have taken the eggplant and sliced it into rounds like this, thicker and a thicker slice, and I have put it into the oven to grill. And by doing that, I would add in some olive oil over it, and you just want to take your finger to rub it, a little sea salt and some oregano, and you stick it in the oven to bake maybe for about 10 minutes or so until it looks like this. Once you get it pre-cooked like this, you can take, like if you're doing pizza, it's a really great alternative, and it's healthy if you're looking to watch your weight over Christmas, not to put on those extra pounds. This is a really nice healthy dish that you can make. So I have here some tomato paste, right, that I am looking to spread just like you would on a pizza crust. And I also have some pesto. So, you know, you can use whatever it is that you have, not necessarily have to be the pesto. Once you have that, you can use any type of cheese that you would like. Mozzarella will also be nice, but here I have some parmesan and some cheddar. So I'm just going to put a little bit of each on here. And then you pop it into the oven until the cheese melts nicely, and then serve. You can serve it in a nice dish like this and garnish it with arugula or parsley, add in some tomatoes. And this dish you can serve as little appetizers, or if it is something that you want to have light for dinner or as a snack and you feel for that cheesy kind of feel, this will be a really great low-fat and healthy dish that you could make right at home just with these few ingredients.